Hi there. Today we are going to take a look at how to create a proposal, or in other words, provide a quote. In order to create the proposal, you can take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the Wholesale Accounts menu option. Next, click on the Proposals tab. Click on the Add Proposal button. Next, you will be shown a Store Proposal section where you can edit miscellaneous details. We're going to leave everything at default for the purpose of this demo. Continue by pressing Next in the top right corner. In this section, we need to add products to the proposal. Items can be selected by scanning them with a barcode scanner, manually selecting in the list, or uploaded via spreadsheet using the Select from Excel or CSV button. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we can make final edits to the proposal. Those include changing the unit price, applying the discounts, and changing the quantity of items. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Complete. After this, you will see What's Next action wizard. The Send Proposal option will allow you to send the newly created proposal via email. The recipient is defaulted to the primary contact name on the account. The View Proposal option will allow you to view the PDF version of the proposal. The Print Tags option will send the tags for printing to one of your set-up printers in the system. And the last option, called Add Another, allows you to jump in creating a new proposal right away. That's it for creating the proposal in the Wholesale Accounts module. Thanks for watching.